ang sarap ng feeling guys pag meron ka ng YouTube channel. Yung tipong mapapasayaw ka na sa tuwa. Pero guys, napag-alaman ko hindi na ako monetize ng YouTube. At dito ko napag-isip-isip guys. Ano bang ginagawa ko sa video ko? May kasalanan ba ako? Bakit ito ginagawa ng YouTube team sa akin? Matatawa ba ako? Or iiyak na lang? Sa Gmail ko na lang nalaman guys na meron pala talaga akong malaking pagkakamali. Ito pala ang tinatawag nila na reuse content. Ang gumamit ka ng video ng iba na hindi mo pagmamayari at walang authorization galing sa may-ari. Ang video na ito ay isang halimbawa kung paano ako nag-reuse content. Ito talaga ang mahigpit na pinagbabawal ng YouTube team, ang manggaya ng ibang video na walang pahintulot. Ilang beses na rin ako nag-send ng appeal sa kanila guys, pero ilang beses na rin na hindi nila tinatanggap ang video appeal ko. So hindi tayo madaling susuko guys. Gagawa uli ako ng YouTube appeal para maaprubahan uli ang monetization ko sa aking YouTube channel. YouTube team, I am Roldan Ramas from Philippines. And today, I will show you my video appeal. I make this appeal because I received an email from YouTube team that my channel will be no more monetized again because of the reuse content. To explain to your team that my channel have different types of content such as live streaming, singing, tutorial, and travels. In the legal doctrine that protects to our legal rights, we use some portion of video material without any permission of the original owners as long as we make different ones. Today, I'm gonna show you my room where I edit all of my videos during uploading to my YouTube channel. Here, there is my laptop, tripod, speaker, cellphone, my video camera, and the lights. Now, I'm gonna show you how to edit all of my videos. I use UCut because for me, UCut is a very simple way to edit all of my videos. And this is the example. YouTube team, I am Roldan Ramas from Philippines. And today, I will show you my video appeal. I make this appeal because YouTube team, I am Roldan Ramas from Philippines. And today, tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you my room where I used to edit all my videos. As you can see, here is my laptop, lights, tripod, speaker, microphone, cell phone, and my video camera. It's something my budget and my video appeal. This is already 4 times that me that my channel will be no more monetized again. Thank you YouTube team. Please accept again my YouTube appeal, and I think it is 4 times you rejected always my video appeal. All I want to do is to make people happy, to share my ideas to them, and I love always working with the YouTube team. Please accept my apology please accept my YouTube appeal. Thank you, YouTube team, and good luck. Thank you. At ayan guys, one day lang, inaprobahan na nila ang aking YouTube appeal.
La verdad que ya no entiendo por qué estás tan enojado. Está un poco desordenado, pero